Mabuhay, my name is Ian Laipat and i-represent ko po the Regional South Sergeant. Region 12. Region 12 officially known as South Sergeant was created on September 19, 1996 under Republic Act number 7901. Capital, the regional center and the capital is Coronadal City, South Cotabato. Ang dialect and language are major language spoken includes Hiligaynon or Ilonggo, Cebuano, Magindanawan, Timoli, Daan, Manobo, Ilocano, Tagalog at English. Ang industries naman dito ay the region's main industries are agriculture like rice, corn, pineapple, banana, fishing and agriculture, livestock and poultry foods. Food processing and agribusiness. Sa Region 12, ang provinces of South Sergeant ay South Cotabato, North Cotabato, San Cotabato, Sarangani, and General Santos City. Ang South Cotabato naman ay natagpuan noong 1966. Ang capital nito ay Coronadal City. Ang language dito ay Hiligaynon, Cebuano, at Timoli. Sa Cotabato naman, or North Cotabato, natagpuan nito noong 1940. Ang capital nito ay Kidapawan City. Ang language dito ay Cebuano at Magindanawan. So, Sultan Kudarat naman ay natagpuan noong 1973. Ang capital nito ay Isulan. At ang lengguwahe nito ay Maguindanao at Ilocano. Ang Sarangani naman ay natagpuan noong 1992. Ang capital ay Alabel. At ang lengguwahe nito ay Cebuano at Apilano. General Santos City, founded on February 27, 1929. Capital nito ay highly urbanized city. Ang dialect dito ay Cebuano, Hiligaynon, at Filipino. Ito naman ang mga tourist attraction sa South Sergeant, like Lake Cebu. Ang Lake Cebu is a peaceful mountain lake in South Cotabato, known for its cool climate and rich Ticoli culture. It is a famous for its seven falls, scenic lakes, and thrilling zipline experience. The area is also known as cultural hub where visitors can see traditional Tiboli weaving, tinahak, music, and customs. Ang isa din ay ang Asik-Asik Falls. Asik-Asik Falls is a unique waterfall where water flows directly from Green Rocks Wall. It is known for its refreshing, lush surroundings and untouched natural beauty. And dito din natagpuan ang Mount Matungtong. Ang Mount Matungtong is an active volcano located in South Cotabato, and it is known for its perfect cone shape and rich biodiversity. The mountain is surrounded by forests that are home to different plants and animals. Mount Matungtong is popular among hikers and nature lovers who enjoy adventure, fresh air, and scenic views from the mountain. Sarangani Bay. Sarangani Bay is a large bay in southern Mindanao. Located between Sarangani Province and General Santos City, it is also known for its rich marine life, important fishing ground, and scenic coastal areas. Ito naman po ang delicacies. Fresh tilapia dishes grilled or steamed from Lake Cebu. Sweet corn and native rice cake, suman or bulika, and traditional Filipino rice delicacies. Pastil, steamed rice topped with shredded chicken or beef, wrapped in banana leaf. Piangga manok, chicken or insect, spices, and burnt coconut. A thousand and Maguindanao dish. Kakaning varieties. Sticky rice with like suman, sapin-sapin, and wiko. Corn-based snack, roasted corn with custard corn cakes. Tuna dishes. Freshly caught tuna with kinilaw, or tuna steak. Kinilaw na tuna, raw tuna marinated in vinegar, vinegar, and chili. Tuna sashimi and steak, known as the tuna capital of the Philippines. Tuna Icarano. Local twist on Filipino customs topping tuna. Tinala Festival. Ito yung isa sa festival sa Coron ng Quezon City. Tinala Festival is celebrated every July honoring the Simbolic traditional wedding called Tinala. Featured street dancing, cultural show, and parades. Bilaan Festival sa Coron City. Bilaan Festival showcase the Bilaan, indigenous culture, traditional dances, and rituals. Kalilangan Festival. Ang Kalilangan Festival ay nagsiselebrate the city cultural heritage and harmonious relationship among indigenous and local communities. Features street dancing, trade fairs, and cultural presentation. At yun lang po sa video ko.